Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope you all are fine. We will continue fourth chapter, which is multiplication. We have done till page 71, so we are going to start from page number 72. So open your book, page number 72. Okay, now we are going to learn the multiplication with converting ones. We have done multiplication without converting before in the class, and now we are going to learn about the multiplication with converting ones. Okay, for example, just like written it on your book, it's written here that when you multiply 14 with 3, you have to multiply 14 with 3. Okay, so I have already told you that first we multiply ones with ones. So it means you have to first multiply 3 with 4. So 3 fours are 12. So should we write full 12 here? No, we cannot write ones and tens in ones column. So what we will do, we will write the 2 here and 1 will go carry over the next number, just like we do in addition. Now you will multiply 3 ones are 3 and plus 1 is 4. So it's 42. I hope that the concept is clear. I will explain it one more time. Let's take an example of any other number. Let's say you have 23 and so first we will multiply ones with ones, then we will multiply ones with tens. So what is 5 threes are? 5 threes are 15, so we will write 5 threes are 15, so we will write 5 here and 1 will go carry over the next number. 5 twos are 10 and we will add the carry into 10, which is 11. So this is the answer. So this is how we do multiplication with convertings. We cannot write the full number in tens column. We have to give carry just like we do in addition, or we take carry in subtraction. Now on page number 72, question number 1, we are going to solve this question. So first two parts are already done. Here first we will multiply ones with ones. 5 threes are 15, this 15, but we cannot write this 15 here as this is ones, this is tens. So you are going to write ones in ones and tens will go carry over the tens column. Now you have to multiply 5 with 2. 5 twos are 10 and plus 1 11. Okay, now come to the next question. 8 twos are 16, so we are going to write 6 here and 1 will go carry. 8 twos are 16 plus 1 17. So while doing multiplication, addition or subtraction, whatever you are doing, whenever you are writing numbers, you have to write in proper columns. Ones in ones, tens in tens, and hundreds in hundreds column. You have to write numbers in proper columns. You cannot write 1 in tens column. You cannot write 100 in tens column. So you have to write in proper columns. Now come to the next page. Page number 73. And here a lot of questions are given here, and I am only going to do these first two lines, and you have to do the rest of parts by yourself. Okay, so the first one is already done. And second one is, first you will multiply 4 with 7. 7 fours are, or 4 sevens are 28. So you are going to write 8 here and 2 will go carry. 4 ones are 4, 5, 6. 3 eights are 24. So you will write 4 here and 2 will go carry. 3 ones are 3 and plus 2, 5. Next one is 7 fives are 35. 7 twos are 14 and plus 3 is 17. Okay, the next one is 8 twos are 16. So you are going to write 6 here and 1 will go carry. 2 twos are 4 and plus 1 is 5. 7 twos are 14. 7 threes are 21 and plus 1 is 22. 9 nines are 81 and 9 ones are 9 and plus 8 is 17. And the last one is 6 and 8. 8 6 are 48. 8 2s are 16 and plus 4 is 20. So I have done the first two lines and you have to do next three lines by yourself on your book neatly. And you don't need to draw these lines. I just made these lines to explain. Okay, you just have to write like this. You have to write carry neatly over the in the proper column. Now come to page number 74, and it's again converting ones and converting tens. It's the same method, just the one digit has increased here. So first you have to multiply this number with ones. So 5 threes are 15, 5 here and 1 will go carry. 5 ones are 5 plus 1, 6. Then 5 ones are 5. So first you multiply number with ones column, then with tens, then with 100. Again here first you will multiply 3 with 4, it's 12, 7 and 9. And again here you will multiply 2 with 8 first, 16. Then you will multiply 2 with this 2, 4 plus 1 is 5. Then you will multiply this 2 with the hundreds 2. So 2 2s are 4. So this is how we do multiplication. Step by step we multiply a number first with ones, then with tens, then with hundreds. Now the E part is first you will multiply 2 with 6. It's 12. Then 2 with 1, 2 ones are 2 and plus 1 is 3. Then 3 2s are 6. And here 4 4s are 16. 4 2s are 8 plus 1 9 and 4 2s are 8. 5 2s are 10. Okay, what is 2 zeros are 0? 2 zeros are 0 because I have told you that whenever we multiply any number with 0, the answer is always 0. And when we will add 1 in 0, it will become 1. Then 2 4s are 8. 7 7s are 49. 4 carry. 7 2s are 14. 14 plus 4 is 18. 7 1s are 7 and plus 1 is 8. Now on page number 75, again these are the same questions. So let's multiply them. 3 2s are 6. 5 3s are 15. 3 2s are 6 and plus 1 7. 3 3s are 9. 8 3s are 24. 5. 4 2s are 8. 7 4s are 28. 6. 7 1s are 7. 7 4s are 28. 8 here and 2 carry. 9. Then 3 2s are 6. 7 2s are 14. 2 2s are 4 plus 1 5. 4 2s are 8. 9 4s are 36. 4 1s are 4 and plus 3 is 7. Okay, again 3 zeros are 0. 7 3s are 21. 3 1s are 3 and 4 5. So as you can see, in all these questions the carry is above the 100 column. Okay, now come to page 76. And again I'm going to do the first two lines from A to F part. Okay, it's the simple multiplication. We have done this in class so many times. Okay, so first one is 5 tens are 50. You know the table of 5. 10 fives are 50. Okay, and I have already told you this, that whenever we multiply, it means that 2 3s are 6. Or if you multiply 3 with 2, means you write 2 first, 3 first and 2 later, then it's the same answer. So it doesn't matter, the order of numbers doesn't matter in multiplication. Whether we write 2 first or 3 first, the answer is always same. This is called commutative property of addition. It's written in your book. So whenever we are multiplying or adding numbers, the order doesn't matter. Okay, 8 4s are 32, 4 8s are 32. 9 6s are 54 and 6 9s are 54. 9 7s are 63 or 7 9s are 63. Okay, 10. How many 10s make 90? 10 nines are 90. And how many 9s makes 90? 9 10s are 90. And how many 8s make 72? 9. 8 9s are 72. And how many 9s make 72? 8. So 9 8s are 72. So you just need to read the tables here, understand them, learn the tables, and then do this question on your book. Now this is your homework. You have to complete the question on page 73. I have done few parts. Then there is a question on page 75, question number 3. You also have to do that. And question number 1 on page 76. You have to complete all these questions on your book neatly. And all the work from page 72 to page 76 should be completed on your book. If you have any question, then you can contact on school's contact number. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.